Hey, I've got some exciting news, especially if you're a business owner here in the St. Louis area. I'm bringing back my local marketing workshops. Some of you might remember that years ago I hosted events right here in St. Louis teaching local business owners about SEO, websites, and digital marketing. I paused those about 8 years ago when I went all in on building one of my own businesses called Window Treatment Marketing Pros. That company has now grown to over $1 million a year. And along the way, I learned a lot about what actually works when it comes to getting leads, building better marketing systems, and growing a local business through digital marketing. So now I'm bringing the workshops back through my brand, Red Canoe Media. The first event is Tuesday, May 26th at the Lodge de Pere here in St. Louis. Doors open at 6 p.m. I'll be teaching a session called 5 Steps to Digital Domination, which sounds bold, but it really is just practical stuff. We're going to cover what's actually changed in SEO in 2026, how customers are searching differently now, simple website updates that you can use to improve your conversions, and local marketing tactics that are working right this minute. No fluff, no theory, just things you can actually go back and use in your business. If you're a local business owner, an entrepreneur, or even someone who handles marketing for a business, this event is for you. Now, seats are limited, so grab your spot now. The link to RSVP is in the description below, and I'd love to see you there.